Is that okay? We want 2 microfarad capacitors, and there is a potential difference of 1 kilovolt, right? That is 1000 volt. A large number of 1 microfarad capacitors are available. Okay, market માં મળે. That is 1 microfarad. Okay, which can withstand means handle, of potential difference of not more than 300 volt. Generally આવું લખેલું હોય ને એને breakdown voltage. What is it called? Breakdown voltage. Breakdown voltage means any device. Breakdown voltage means any device can only handle up to that much volt. એનાથી વધારે હોય તો it will get damaged. Understood? Yes. Okay. So we have 2 microfarad, we have 1 microfarad capacitors, okay, and we want to use that 2 microfarad, we want to make a 2 microfarad and we want to use it with how much? 1000 volt. But one capacitor can only handle up to 300. Problem is clear to you? Okay, so what's the minimum number of capacitors required to achieve this? Let's start in a wrong manner. મને પહેલાથી ખબર છે આખો picture. But if I start it that way, you will start to get the idea how to do it. So suppose this is 1000 volt, and we want 2 microfarad, right? But we have only 1 microfarad. So if I connect only 1 microfarad, then how much is the capacitance? How much is the capacitance? 1 microfarad. Is that okay or not? But we want 2. So we 1 માંથી increase કરવાનું 2 કરવાનું. What should we do? Connect one more in parallel. Yes or no? Hooray! We achieved 2 microfarad. પછી લગાડો એટલે boom. Spark. Is that okay? Why? Because if you put 1 microfarad and 1 microfarad, fine, it is 2 microfarad. But look at this. Both the capacitors will get how many volts? 1000. Will the capacitor handle more than 300? No. What is this? Got it? Right? Basically, you know what happens is that when you give too much voltage, the material between the plates, generally all capacitors that we use in practice, in circuits, they have some dielectric. So what will happen is that when you give too much voltage, there will be too strong electric field. And because of too much strong electric field, the chemistry of that material will change. So electrons will come out from the atom and they will start moving. That is, the insulator will become a conductor. It also happens with air. It actually can happen with anything. Is that okay? It can actually happen with anything. When does it happen with air? In a lightning strike. Air is an insulator, yes or no? Yes. But lightning flows through air, doesn't it? You understand what I am saying? How is it possible? Because when there is too much voltage between earth and cloud, at that time, due to that very high voltage, there will be a strong electric field created. And with such a strong electric field, even air will have a breakdown. That is, its properties will change and it will not be an insulator, then it will become a conductor. So when it becomes conductor, there will be a flow and then it will stop, because once charge flows, the potential difference goes away. I hope you realize why. Because if one thing is positive and one thing is negative, and if charge flows from this to this, both will get neutralized. That's a lightning strike. Did you understand? Then once again the same process will start. Then there will be another lightning strike. Understood? Or not clear? So during such lightning strikes, obviously air, even though it's an insulator, it behaves like a conductor. So at normal conditions, like if you use a 10 volt battery, it will not make current flow through air. 10 volt battery. 100 volt? No. 1000 volt? No. But at million volts, things will change. Right? At million volt, current will flow through air. Right? Charge will flow through. Okay, never mind. Coming back to this question. So here, what is given is, we cannot allow this because this house that will damage them. So we have to protect it. Now, how can we decrease this 1000 volt, right? So This one, if we connect it directly, this gets immediately all the 1000. Yes or no? But we have to decrease that and make it less than or equal to 300. What should we do?
Series.
You should connect something in series. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Let's try it that way. How many should we connect in series? If we connect 2, then what will happen? 1 microfarad, 1 microfarad. Okay. It will be 2 microfarad? No. Half a third, half. But there is another problem also. If this is 1000, both will get 500 volt. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Now in series the voltage will be equally divided because both are identical. So will it get damaged?
Yes.
So I know chale ne. So હવે કેટલા લગાડો? How many should we connect? 3. 3 માં શું થાય?
4.
Everything will get 333 if you connect 3. Yes or no? So minimum required are 4. સમજ પડે છે? 4. So you have to connect 4 like this. So because if you connect 4, everything will get 250 volt. Safe or not safe? Safe. Fine. How much is the capacitance now? How much is the capacitance? 1 by 4. 1 nahi ne? Clear or not? 1 by 4. Why 1 by 4? Series. Got it. But now we want how much? 2 microfarad. So 1 by 4 microfarad is it. How to increase it? Connect in parallel. Yes or no? Sure. So parallel માં પાછું એક લગાડો. શું થાય? How many do we need to connect minimum? 4 તો લગાડવું પડશે ને? Yes or no? એક લગાડી તો આ પડી જશે. Got it? So you have to connect 4 like this. So how many such rows should we make? સમજ પડે ને? આવી એક row, second row, third row એ રીતે બનાવી. How many rows do we have to make? 4 rows. અને 4 rows બનાવો તો 1 microfarad નો થાય. We want 2 microfarad. Yes or no? So કેટલી rows બનાવી? 8 rows. Is that clear or not clear? One row 1 by 4, second row 1 by 4, third 1 by 4, fourth એ રીતે કરતા કરતા how many? 8. Okay, so how many capacitors will we need? 32. Understood? Okay or not okay? We will need 32 capacitors. Minimum. વધારે use કરે તો કરજો, but 32 is minimum. Clear? આવડે ને આવા question? નહીં આવડે. એક આઉટ એક ફૂટ માં છે. I don't know what number. Additional માં છે કે. ઈ કરી નાખજો homework માં. ગોતી જો શું છે નંબર. મોટો પેરેગ્રાફ આપ્યો જવા દે. 23 I think there 23 an electrician એવું કઈક છે ને an electric technician requires value same જ છે
400.
okay not more than 400 okay so slight change isn't it કરી નાખજો for homework got it okay all right let's go to the next one question 19 now capacitance with dielectric we have studied so much about dielectric now it's time to use it okay sure distance between the plates of a capacitor is d if a copper plate of same length but thickness d by 2 is placed between the plates then the new capacitance will be. Did you understand the question? Yes or no? Or not clear? There is a capacitor with d distance. Now here we put a copper plate or a block actually. Plate because a block is a better word. Copper block. Okay? With d by 2. Then what will happen to the new capacitor? Can we use C equal to Kc0 here?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
Why not?
No.
Because the space is not completely filled. Okay, then partially filled. Yes or no?
Yes.
Partially filled માં બે કેસ એમાંથી કયો જાય? Distance is divided. Okay, તો ફોર્મ્યુલા કોને આવડે? Okay, very good. Right? Yes, Prima, what's the formula?
S1 0
epsilon 0 d, epsilon 0 a by d. નથી આવતી બરાબર. d1 upon k1 plus d2 upon k2. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sure? Everyone remember this?
Yes.
Sit up. Okay. So this is what we get. Now, how many things are there? Are there 3 or 2? 3. Okay. You can also consider it 2 only because these two are both air. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sure? You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
So there are only 2. No problem. So start. Epsilon 0 a upon. What is d1? Let's call copper as number 1 and air as number 2. So copper number 1. Distance or thickness of that how much? D by 2. Okay. K1. Dielectric constant of copper. Sorry? Infinite. कैसे खबर पड़ी? Copper is a metal. Yes or no? Plus. Away d2. The second one is air. How much is the space or width for air? D by 2 is because D by 2 is copper. Remaining all is air. Clear or not clear?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. Away.
1.
Got there?
Yes.
Okay. So what's the answer? 2 epsilon 0 a by d. Okay, do think. Double देंगे ना? Sure. Okay. Fine. Now time for a little bit of shortcut. Have a look. See, it doesn't really matter whether you move this way, move it this way or that way and make it touch. Suppose आने पतेरी नहीं touch कर ले. So this is all metal. Yes or no? So आप plate नहीं आएगी. Make sense? This surface will become like plate. The surface will behave like plate. So now this is a new capacitor with how much distance between plates? So distance half. Understood the idea?
Yes.
Okay. Okay?
Yes.
Let's go to next one. On placing a dielectric slab between the plates of an isolated charged capacitor. Read those words carefully. So we have a capacitor. Is the capacitor isolated or not isolated? Isolated. What will remain constant? Charge will remain constant. Okay. Yes. So હવે બાકી બધું ચાલુ થઈ જશે ને. Okay, if you fill it with slab, then capacitance will become Kc0. Generally, if nothing is given, we fill it completely. Okay? Understood? So what happens to capacitance? Increase or decrease or remain same? Increase? Sure? Okay. So capacitance increase. चलो પછી charge same. પછી potential difference. Increase or decrease? Who says increase? Who says decrease? Reason આપશો ને કે નહીં આપો? નહીં? Yes, Sarkar, what's the reason?
Inversely proportional C and V.
C and V will be inversely proportional if charge is going to remain same. Yes or no?
Yes.
Is that okay or not okay? Sit down, well done. If C will become K times, then V will become 1 upon K times. That is, V will be equal to V0 by A. It will decrease. Got it? Got it or not? Okay, next. Energy stored. Option set નથી કરો આપણે તમે તો what will happen and why it will happen. I think I should give you 30 seconds. Okay? Discuss it with your friends on the same page. અવાજ થવો જોઈએ. Let's see. You need formula વિચારજો. Suppose you don't have right to discuss with anyone. You are all alone. હું આવું ત્યાં ડિસ્કસ કરો તારી હારે આવું ને યાર કેમ ના પાડે ઈ ના પાડે કે તું ના પાડે બોલો Thank you. Discussion Guru. Decide कर लीजिए. What do you think?
Decrease.
Decrease.
Yes.
Bias. Bias ने या not bias? Answer છે એટલે ચલો reason કોણ? Yes, Ketul. U equal to Q square upon 2C. એવું લેવાનું. Okay, ચલો લઈ જાય શું થાય? U equal to Q square upon 2C. Okay, now Q1 change. Q1 change. Very good. C increase. C increase. Okay, decrease. So U will decrease. Is that clear or not clear?
Yes.
Well done. Correct reason. Sit down. समझाई क्यों बता ने? Can't we do it with half C square? You can, but it is a bad idea. Okay, here C is varying and V is also varying. એટલે બે માં confusion થાય. It's not clear cut. This is very clear. Q same, ખાલી C ઉપર જ જોવાનું ને. Got it? Everyone understood that? 2 is a number. Half QV ચાલે. If you do it by half QV, then also it's fine. Okay? Right, let's go to the next one. Electric field. Reason ಕೊಟ್ಟು answer नहीं. Reason, electric field.
3 seconds.
પાછી 3 સેકન્ડ આપો. કહેતા હોય તો આપું, તમને મજા આવતી હોય તે રીતે આપું. ચલો કરો ડિસ્કસ. You have 30 seconds again. Yes. Okay. So, are you giving this as your reason?
No.
नहीं, तो बिल्कुल reason.
E equal to ED.
V equal to
ED by ED.
V equal to E into D. That we can use for a capacitor. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
So if D, obviously D is the same as A. સિવાય કે એટલું બધું ફિટ હોય કે બધું પ્લેટ આમ, right? So D is constant. And V decreases. If V is decreasing, electric field will decrease. You could have also done it like this. Because charge is not changing, આના જેટલું સિમ્પલ નથી. You all chose the simplest one. પણ આ ખાલી સમજાવું છું. If charge will remain constant, E0 will remain constant. સમજ પડે? Because ultimately E0 is sigma by epsilon 0, and sigma by epsilon 0 means Q by A epsilon. So if Q remains constant, E0 remains constant. And પછી આ divide by K થઈ ગયું. First it was E0, now it is E0 divided by K. Obviously it has decreased. Understood? Okay, but I still say this is better. V equal to ED is more simple. Fine. Okay, let's go over to the next question. 21. Okay, in the adjoining diagram, two geometrically identical capacitors A and B are connected to a battery. That's A and B. Okay. Air is filled between the plates of C1 and dielectric is filled between the plates of C2. Okay. Then what will happen? You just have to decide that. Easy question, nothing. These capacitors are in series or parallel? Parallel, sure. The same to us. Voltage. Okay. So answer आपको डन एकदम सिंपल है बहुत लांबू विचार्યું तुम लोग
बी ऑप्शन बी
Q2 will be greater than Q1. A. Okay or not okay?
Yes.
Why so? C2 is greater than C1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. If you insert dielectric slab, capacitance will increase. पहला पे equal था. Now C2 is greater than C1, but voltage is same. Yes or no? So Q2 will be greater than Q1. Got that? Got it or not?
Yes.
Simple as that, no? Okay. Let's go to 22. A parallel plate capacitor with separation D is charged with the help of a battery so that U0 energy is stored in the system. A plate of dielectric constant K and thickness D is now placed between the plates of capacitor while battery remains connected. Did you understand? While battery remains connected, then the new energy stored in the system will be, means new energy of new potential energy of the capacitor. Okay, what's the formula of potential energy of capacitor? U equal to half CV square Q square by 2C half Q is 3 Okay, I'm not going to tell you which one should be used here. Judge it based on the given question. Right here, what's going to remain same or constant throughout the whole thing? Voltage. Is that clear or not? So which is easiest to use? Formula half CV square. Okay, so what will happen to capacitance if you insert a plate of dielectric constant K? It will become Kc0. Yes or no?
Yes.
Capacitance will become Kc0. So energy no શું થશે? K will be multiplied. Yes or no?
Yes.
No ખબર પડી. First it was U0 equal to 1 by 2 C0 V square. Now it will be U equal to half CV square. But what has happened to C? C is equal to K into C0. So K will also be multiplied to U0. Got it? Or you can also do it like this. U proportional to C. So C K times energy also K times. Got it? Fine or not fine?
Yes.
એટલે છે ને આવું જોઈને એવું ન કહેતા sir U is not proportional to C. Depending on different cases, U is proportional to C or not proportional to C or inversely proportional to C. समझ पड़ी? Okay. So answer of 22 will be A. Next. But charging, discharging to the again. Okay. Now, although some questions that I want to give you here are not given in this assignment. Suppose we fill out 1/3 of the area with dielectric constant K1 and remaining total area is A of course. Okay, and this is with dielectric constant K2. Do you understand what I've drawn? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so I want you to find two things. One, equivalent capacitance of this system or of this thing, and second, if a slab, if a single slab is to be inserted, what should be its dielectric constant so as to give same capacitor. First નાખો પછી સેકન્ડ રાખ્યો છે એની ઉપર ડિપેન્ડ. Take your first. This is area A by 3. Remaining area will be how much? 2A by 3. Okay or not okay? Distance will be D as usual. Take it?
Yes.
Okay. And try the second one. Here, what is divided? Distance or area? Area is divided. So any formula say, yes say. Or you can consider that these two are going to be in parallel. So C is equal to epsilon 0 by D. A1 A1 plus A2 A2. Okay? Because there are only two. Okay? Find it out. Come on. Both. Okay. Okay. આ જો આવ્યું પહેલા તો epsilon 0 by D. પછી K1 is K1, A1 is A by 3, and this is 2A by 3 and K2. Okay. So A by 3 common. So epsilon 0 A by 3D into A1 plus 2A2. This is okay. Is it fine or not?
Yes.
Now, okay, first part clear just by the formula. Nothing else to be done. Now, for the second one, what's the question? It's saying that if a single slab is to be inserted, these are two slabs. Instead of that, if you want to insert a single, okay, only one, that will fill up the whole space. That's called basically finding equivalent. If you realize that instead of two, if you want to put only one that does the same job.
Yes.
Okay, so then do you realize for that one we should have C equal to K equivalent into epsilon 0 A by D. Did you understand? Or not clear?
Yes.
Pehla equivalent diagram draw કરી શકાય જો આનો capacitor plates, the whole thing filled by only one slab with how much K equivalent. That's what we want to find. Clear or not?
Yes.
Now in this case and that case, capacitance should be same. So અહીંયા મૂકી દો. એટલે થઈ જાય કોઈ. Did you understand?
Yes.
So what will be the answer?
K1 2K2 by
K equivalent will be equal to K1 plus 2K2 upon 3. Okay or not? K1 plus 2K2 upon 3. Fine. આવડે ને આ ક્વેશ્ચન હોય તો? So suppose this is a flat plate, but this one is not flat. Okay, it is having a shape. Now in 3D, all of this has thickness. And the thickness is depth for the depth. I cannot draw it. Our dimension here. Okay or not okay?
Yes.
That is suppose, let's say, or width and a width here and width of the plate is, let's say, A. Width of all plates is A. Right? Width of all plates is A. And length of each straight section here is also A. Did you understand? Length of each straight section A section. What is width is also A. Same thing about this one. This plate also has width A. Not very. And now if we connect this point and this point, we want to find equivalent capacitance between them if this distance here is A. Question clear? Or not clear? The distance between these two here is A. This width, this one, all of them are A. Okay? And the width is also A. So how many capacitors are formed? When are capacitors formed? When two conductors are facing each other. Then only then a parallel plate capacitor, or only then a capacitor is going to get formed. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 capacitors. Okay. 5 are they in series or in parallel?
Parallel. Same plate.
Here everything is connected to the same, so all have same potential. Similarly here everything is connected to the same, so they all also have same potential. Is that okay? The bane of potential difference, whether you find it for first one, second one, third one, fourth or fifth, the potential difference will be same. Let me put it more clearly. Suppose this plate is at 100 volt and this plate is at 0 volt. So આ બેનો potential difference 100. અહીંયા 100, અહીંયા 100, અહીંયા 100. When is voltage same? In parallel. Clear or not clear? Because all points on this plate will be at 0 potential and all on this plate will be at 100. એટલે બધે voltage same હશે. That means all are in parallel. તો ફરક શું બધા? Distance અલગ અલગ છે ને? Sure. But what will you take as area of the capacitor?
A square.
A square. એનો ખબર પડી ગયો. આ પ્લેટ ને આમ જો. ઓકે, તો કેવું થાય? એનો જે ફર્સ્ટ પોર્શન છે અહીંયા સુધી છે. Make sense or not? This height will be A. એવું તો દેખાય છે. But what about this width? That is also A given in the question. Plate આમ છે. That's why we can't see it. પણ એને આમ કરી નાખો એટલે એરિયા દેખાશે ને no? Clear or not? So this is A and this width is also A. So what's the area of this plate? A square. Got it? So every capacitor will have same area, but the distance will be different. Clear? But now go. Easy question થઈ ગયો ને હવે તો. એટલું સમજ્યા પછી કઈ છે નહીં. All are in parallel. ખાલી distance change થાય છે. આટલું બધું એડ કરવું પડશે. શું એડ કરવાનું? 1 2 3 4 5 એવું એડ કરવાનું ને એને અહીં એ રેસિપ્રોકલ કેલ્ક્યુલેટર ધ્રુવ મૂકી દે હાથ ધોયા હા What is LCM of 2 3 4 and 5? 10. So 60 નો થાય 30 નો થાય 4 ના ટેબલ માં 30 નો આવે બરાબર ને 60 થાય ને નો થાય 30 2 3 4 5 નો 30 કે 16 થશે ને ઓકે એમ તમારું મેથ સારું છે Done. Answer is sorry. How many epsilon 0?
Epsilon 0 A K by 50.
Epsilon 0 A K. What's K?
Dielectric constant.
It's a chain. Chain ने मुझे नहीं chain नहीं. K is 1 चलो upon
50.
1.5. Is this what you get? Sit down. Rohan, what do you get? So K क्या दिया है वो? A epsilon 0 પછી by 3 only 3 nothing else. Okay. ये वो सरस आंसर है. I don't believe it. Correct or no? I was not expecting the numbers to be that simple.
A epsilon 0 into 39 by 20.
Wait, एक बराबर. A epsilon 0 39
39 by 20.
by 20.
Epsilon 0 11 by 5.
29. 29.
29 by 20.
29 by 20.
A epsilon 0 upon 60. पर ऊपर न्यूमरेटर में ऐड नो કર્યું નીચે તો એલસીએમ લીધો બોલું છે પ્લસ 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 નહીં કરવું પડે એ બાકી રહી ગયું ને જીવને કરો કરો ઓપ્શન આપે તો એમાં મૂંઝાવાનું શું you have to be confident whether you are getting the answer or not આવ્યો કે નહીં આન્સર બીજા કોઈ નહીં રોહન આજ આવે પાક્કું દિવ્ય કોણ કેતુલ શું આન્સર આવ્યો બોલવું નથી એમ जल्दी करो कैलकुलेशन કેટલું બધું ટફ છે આ ઓકે ફર્સ્ટ વન એપ્સિલોન 0 a સ્ક્વેર બાય a એવું જ આવશે ને પછી સેકન્ડ વન માં શું હશે એપ્સિલોન 0 a સ્ક્વેર બાય 2a યસ ઓર નો શ્યોર તો આવી રીતે કરવાનું ને epsilon 0 a common 1 by 1 with 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 yes or no yes or no अच्छा તમે આ બધું મલ્ટીપ્લાય એક સાથે નથી કરતા ને એલસીએમ લેવાના બદલે એવું કોઈ કરે છે કે અહીંયા આ બધા મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીને અહીંયા મલ્ટીપ્લાય પછી અહીંયા 2 ના બદલે બીજું બધું you know the way people do it એટલે પૂછું છું so epsilon 0 a LCM is 60 અહીંયા 60 આવશે yes or no plus 30 plus 20 plus 15 plus 12 શું ઓકલું દે કે આપણું એડિશન નહોતું કરવું 90 110 125 137 by 60 હવે 3 થી કટ થાય છે નો થાય પતી ગયું પતી ગયું ને કે નહીં what કોને હાથે પ્રકાશને હાથે તો બોલ્યો કેમ નહીં where did you make a mistake
Sir, I'll say 1 plus 154 by 1.
મેં મિસ્ટેક કર્યો તો મને કોને
ના સર નહીં હતું
રોહન શું કર્યું તું તે તારે કેમ આવો મસ્ત આન્સર આવતો હતો એલસીએમ
37.
એ એવું જ કર્યું sure this is clear
Yes.
તમે લોકો બહુ મૂંઝાવ છો બોલતા નથી જલ્દી આવ્યો નો આવ્યો જે આવ્યો નો પ્રોબ્લેમ ઇટ ઇઝ ફાઇન સાચું ખોટું તો આવતું જ રહેતું હોય એવું કંઈ ન હોય મારે કેટલી વાર ખોટું પડે બોર્ડ પર ઓકે નાઉ લેટ્સ ગો ટુ 29 આ આખો પોર્શન છે ને આપણે ચેપ્ટર 6 પછી જ કરશું એક સાથે ઇટ્સ ઓલ અબાઉટ ચાર્જિંગ ડિસ્ચાર્જિંગ ઓફ કેપેસિટર ટ્રાન્ઝિયન્ટ સર that is what happens between zero time and infinite time okay ખાલી ખોટું તમારે પર મેથ્સ નું બર્ડન આવશે ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન કરીને ફોર્મ્યુલા ડિરાઈવ કરો એના કરતા રાહ જોઈ તમે ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન શીખી જશો ત્યાં સુધીમાં તો વાંધો નહીં તો પછી કરાવી ઓકે અત્યારે શું ચાલે તમારા મેથ્સમાં ઇન્વર્સ ટ્રિગ્નોમેટ્રી આની પછી શું ચાલે તમારું નથી ખબર મોસ્ટ લાઇકલી કેલ્ક્યુલસ જ આવશે હવે મોસ્ટ ઓકે કોનિક ને તો બધું તમારે 11th માં જ આવતું હતું ને ટ્રિગ્નોમેટ્રી થઈ ગયું ઇન્વર્સ ટ્રિગ્નોમેટ્રી પૂરું થાય એટલે ટ્રિગ્નોમેટ્રી પૂરું ફંક્શન થઈ ગયું એટલે બસ હવે ઈ હોવું જોઈએ તો થઈ જશે એટલી વારમાં તો તમને શીખવાડી દેશે સર ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન ઓકે 29 circuit involves two ideal cells connected to one UF capacitor via key એટલે સ્વિચ જેવું છે આમ કરાય okay initially the key is in position 1 and the capacitor is start fully by 2 volt cell figure માં દેખાડ્યું છે ને એ છે okay so capacitor is start the key is then pushed to position 2 okay so after that after charging the first one we switch it to that second one okay then column 2 gives corresponding results for the physical quantities in 1 બરાબર એટલે 1 ની સાથે મેચ કરવાનું છે ઓકે નાના હતા ત્યારે મેથ ધ ફોલોઈંગ માં બહુ મજા આવતી હવે આમાં મેથ ધ ફોલોઈંગ તમારી મજા લેશે પછી ઓકે ઓકે આ તો તોય હજી સીધો ક્વેશ્ચન છે વેલ એવરી thing will have only one correct value કોકવાર એવાય મેથ ધ ફોલોઈંગ આવે છે જેમાં a માં p q r પછી b માં q r s એવું ગમે તે આવતું કોકમાં 4 આવતા ઓકે ઇટ્સ અ નાઇટમેર કારણ કે એક પૂરું કરો ત્યાં જ એટલો બધો ટાઈમ થતો ઓકે એનીવે લેટ્સ સ્ટાર્ટ ફર્સ્ટ વન net charge crossing the 4 volt cell in microcoulomb is so what is it saying the moment you connect it like this okay what will happen is that this battery will try to charge it yes or no yes or no
Yes.
wasn't it already charged it was but it was charged by your 2 volt battery so how much charge was already there the moment you switch it like this at that time how much would be the charge here 2 volt charge so here the microcoulomb is that okay or not
Yes.
the charge on this plate will be plus 2 microcoulomb and charge on this plate will be minus 2 microcoulomb when you do this I'm turned it but finally when you leave it like this આને ચાર્જ કરશે ને so what should be the final charge 6 કે 4 ખબર પડી શું કન્સેપ્ટ માં રમે છે કે 2 છે બરાબર ઓપ્શન માં 6 છે બરાબર સમજ પડી કે નહીં the question is finally what will be the charge on this and on this that's what you have to think about I'll give you a hint capacitor can get charged only until capacitor voltage becomes exactly equal to battery voltage બરાબર only up to that point કેમ આનાથી વધુ ન આવે વધુ આવે તો ઊંધું થાય capacitor will charge battery is that clear that's never going to happen in a situation like this clear so the process will stop when capacitor voltage becomes 4 volt એટલું સમજ પડી ગઈ so if capacitor voltage is 4 volt how much are these charges how much are these charges 2 કે છે 2 આ વોલ્ટેજ છે we want to find charge on capacitor we know voltage of capacitor so charge કેવી find થાય q equal to cv તમારો તો કરા શું આવે શું આવે q equal to cv no તો શું આવ્યું 4 microcoulomb so finally here it will be plus 4 and here it will be minus 4 is that okay okay or not okay read the question carefully આ નથી પૂછ્યું how much is the net charge crossing the 4 volt cell see it already had 2 so આને હવે શું કરવાનું છે એને ખાલી plus 2 જ આપવાનું yes or no
Yes.
you understand what I am saying it doesn't have to give all the 4 why because already there is 2 here make sense હવે સપોઝ ઓલી 2 વોલ્ટ વાળી બેટરી ઊંધી હોત તો અહીંયા -2 હોત. Do you get what I'm saying? તો આન્સર 6 આવે. પણ આ કેસમાં અહીંયા પ્લસ છે, અહીંયા માઈનસ છે. તો આન્સર શું આવશે? How much extra charge does this have to give? 2 volt on 2 microcoulomb only. Is that clear or not?
Yes.
Clear or not clear?
Yes.
I repeat, અહીંયા +2 છે, બનાવવાનો +4. બાકીનો +2 ક્યાંથી આવ્યો? It will flow from here and come here. સમજાણું? એટલે અહીંયાથી 2 ઓછો થઈ જાય તો -2 that is -4. અને અહીંયા પાછો 2 વધી જાય તો +2 that is 4. So how much charge will go through this? 2 microcoulomb charge will go through. સમજાણું? So answer of A will be P. Answer of A will be P. Clear? Okay, let's go to next. Magnitude of work done by 4 volt cell. Magnitude of work લખાયું હતું મેં તમને Q into V, where Q is charge flowing, okay, and V is the voltage of battery. So how much is charge flowing through the battery? 2. હમણાં જ find કર્યું. Into 4. So it will be 8 microjoule. Got that? Yes or no? Okay. Number 3 now. Gain in potential energy. Gain means what? Increase. Yes or no? Gain means increase. Find. So it આવડે કે નહીં? Increase in potential energy. Increase means final minus initial. Initial કેવી રીતે find કરશો? ઓલી સર્કિટ ડ્રો કરો એમાં initial અને આમાં final. આવડે? કરો તો. Okay. Half CV square minus half CV square બરાબર ને? Okay. Okay, next D. Net heat produced in the circuit. What's the gain? What's the gain in potential energy of the capacitor? 6 microjoule. Correct or not?
Yes.
Now we have to find net heat produced in the circuit. Actually, it is not given clearly. It is not given clearly from which point do we have to start adding the heat. For example, at start 2 volt battery was already connected to 1 microfarad. So after you switch, do you have to find the heat after you switch, or do you have to find the total heat all the way from the start? Make sense or not? Clear or not? Okay. પણ આમાં જો લખ્યું છે initially the key is in position 1 and capacitor is charged fully. So when we start observing, this capacitor was already charged. એટલે એ બધું નહીં ગણવાનું ને એની પહેલાનું. Do you remember what is meaning of initial? Initial means when we start observing. So એના પછી શું થયું? એના પછી આને આમ flip કર્યું. So now whatever is the heat produced here, that only we have to find. બોલો શું answer? Work done by battery 8 microjoule. And energy gained by capacitor. એટલે capacitor ને કેટલી પડી? 6 microjoule. બાકીને ક્યાં કર્યું? Loss. So how much is the loss? 2 microjoule. Did you understand or not clear? Battery had to do how much work? 8. But capacitor's energy only increased by 6. Remaining 2 is missing. That is the loss. So answer of that will be P. 2. સમજાણું કે નહીં? એનો સમજાણું? Yes, no.
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay? So with that, let's end this class.